Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone watching online, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I would like to warmly welcome all of you to another episode of Luton Quran Academy's very own game show, Young Muslim Champions. This game show will consist of 10 teams, all competing to become champions of this prestigious competition. The rules are as follows. Each team will have 30 seconds to answer a series of 5 Islamic trivia questions, but if they cannot answer the question, it will be moved over to the next team. However, if after all 10 questions the scores are even, we will move into a tiebreaker round which will determine the result of the game. If a team wins, they will receive 3 points. If they draw, both teams will receive 1 point each, and if they lose, then that team will receive no points at all. And now, without any further ado, let's begin. On my left, we have Team Hazrat Fatima, and on my right, we have Team Hazrat Abu Bakr. Please, Team Hazrat Fatima, introduce yourself.
My name's Ishal.
My name's Malala. My name is Kashmala. My name's Anika.
Team Hazrat Abu Bakr, please introduce yourself.
My name's Usman Saeed.
My name is Sami Hafiz.
My name is Husnain Wakas.
My name is Ibrahim Khan.
And now that we have got to know the teams, let's get straight into the questions. The first question is for Team Hazrat Fatima. Walking 7 times between 2 hills, Safa and Marwa, is known in Arabic as... The time starts now. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Can you please have an answer?
Sai.
That is the correct answer. MashaAllah. Now we are moving on to Team Hazrat Abu Bakr for your question. What is the hill of Arafat and why is it important? The time starts now.
Should we pause?
Discuss amongst yourselves.
We paused the question.
Pause? Alright.
Yep.
So now we move on to Team Hazrat Fatima. Can you answer the question? I will repeat the question one more time. What is the hill of Arafat and why is it important? Your time starts now. You ready?
It is where Prophet Muhammad delivered his farewell sermon.
MashaAllah, that is the correct answer. That's 2-0 for Team Hazrat Fatima and 0 for Team Hazrat Abu Bakr. Now we're moving on to the next question for Team Hazrat Abu Bakr. Who was the companion of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, known for generosity and hospitality? The time starts now.
You have an answer.
You have an answer. Team Hazrat Abu Bakr, what is your answer?
Bilal.
That is unfortunately the incorrect answer. So now we're going to move on to Team Hazrat Fatima, who will be answering the same question. Time starts now. I will repeat the question. Who was the companion of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, known for his generosity and hospitality? Ten seconds left. You have an answer, Team Hazrat Fatima. What is your answer?
Uthman.
That is unfortunately the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf. Now, the next question is for Team Hazrat Abu Bakr. What is the Islamic ruling for someone who passes away during Hajj? The time starts now. It's about halfway done.
Where is it then?
And that is time. Do you have an answer for me, Team Hazrat Abu Bakr?
Yes. Is it Shaheed?
That is unfortunately that is the correct answer because they are considered a martyr, or that can also be known as Shaheed. Now the next question for Team Hazrat Fatima is, what is the name of the tribe to which the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam belonged? Time starts now. What's the answer?
Creation.
Unfortunately, that is the correct answer. The next question is for Team Hazrat Abu Bakr. Who was the famous Muslim explorer known for his travels across Asia, Africa, and Europe? Your time starts now. Just about halfway done.
Maybe you answer.
Do you have an answer?
Yeah.
Right, what is the answer?
Abu Bakr.
That is unfortunately the incorrect answer. So now that same question is going to be moved on to Team Hazrat Fatima. The scores are currently 3-1 to Team Hazrat Fatima. Your time starts now. I will repeat the question one more time. Who is the famous Muslim explorer known for his travels across Asia, Africa, and Europe? Just about halfway done now. Five, four, three, two, one. And that is time. You have an answer for me, Team Hazrat Fatima. Nope.
No.
The correct answer was Ibn Battuta. And now the next question is for Team Hazrat Abu Bakr. Why do pilgrims shave their head or trim their hair at the end of Hajj? The time starts now.
It's more rewarding.
Because it's sunnah and more rewarding. We have an answer.
What is the answer?
Because it's sunnah and more rewarding.
Yes, that is correct. So now the scores are currently 4-2 to Team Hazrat Fatima. The next question for Team Hazrat Fatima is, how often can Muslims perform Umrah?
You said that before. You said the same question before. I know the answer.
We have an answer.
What is your answer?
There's no limit.
That is the correct answer. We're now moving the question to Team Hazrat Abu Bakr. How many times in the name of the Prophet Muhammad mentioned in the Quran? I'll repeat the question again. How many times is the name of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned in the Quran?
4.
That is the correct answer. The scores are currently 4-3 to Team Hazrat Fatima. The next question is, what does the black stone represent and where is it located and what do we call it in Arabic? And the halfway.
We have our answer.
You have an answer. What is your answer, Team Hazrat Fatima?
It represents our sins.
That is the correct answer. The scores are currently 5-3 to Team Hazrat Fatima. And that was the last question, which means the winners are Team Hazrat Fatima. I hope that you can tune in our next episode of Young Muslim Champions.